Welcome to Mansalina Beach in Trinidad and Tobago. Currently we're in the island of Trinidad. Tobago is the sister isle. And if you have a look around the beach today, it is covered in Sargassum seaweed. There's no one swimming. When life gives you lemon, you make lemonade, right? So I'm going to use the seaweed and make some products. Watch the channel to see what we do with the seaweed. Red flag is up in the distance telling the swimmers do not bathe here. Can you guess what I'm going to do with it? The color closest to the water is golden brown. Where the sun has been hitting, it's a dark brown and almost black. I'm in my galoshes, guys. My tall boots, my garden boots. It's at least 3-4 inches thick in this area. But as you get closer to the shore, when the tide is in, this is where it comes up. The color underneath. I don't know how many days it's been sitting here, but I'm here today. I'm filling up 2 barrels. That's all I have to carry, and so I'm filling up my 2 barrels and gonna do my experimenting.